On my way in to get the eggs, part of the eggs for the afternoon. The chickens and Mr. Sausage a little treat. Watermelon, whatever organic produce is going to be thrown out at the grocery store. Hey, big guy. He's going to look really cool when he gets bigger. It's here to keep the pig out. Little one there. Couple over here. Got a little chicken in that one. Oh, come on now. Let's see what you got here. Thank you. Little bitty one there. Well, that looks good for now. Oh, pretty chicken. That's good for now. About 12:30 or something like that. A little chilly today, but it'll warm up. There'll be, I don't know, a dozen more or so by this afternoon. Thanks, chickens.